Look at the flock out behind the little one. Can you let this first one land? Nope.
Nah.
No, we're fucking.
Yeah, because they're totally going to come in.
Locked up. Yeah. They're high there.
Dude, this is how it was yesterday. Here they come.
They're locked a mile high.
Look at the birds out in front of them.
Bring them back, Jack.
Look at that, you're in a single. Get a single.
Oh, single, guys.
Fucking hammer.
Single with
Let him
5.
win.
We got 5 above us.
Oh my god, look at this stuff. Look at that. Oh my god.
Derek, shut up.
I'm kidding.
Three.
Look at these.
We're gonna let him land. Look at the flock back there dropping. You getting this? Yeah. No.
Derek, shut up.
Let him drop. Dude, if he picks up, you smoke him. Let him land. Let him keep coming. Low, though. You getting over?
Two.
Hang on. We got like 5 on the ground. Alright. You guys want to kill him?
No, not these two.
Kill him.
I got that one in the dirt.
I got all the.
I got one on the dirt. I fucking drew. I got not the far one. The second.
I got the first one on the.
far one. Fucking that's me. The second furthest I got.
That one that Max is getting.
Did you get that on film?
Got it all on film.
Oh my!
I caught it all.
Oh my god!
I got it all.
Was that the most insane thing you've ever seen?
That was nice, guys.
Oh my god! I dusted that one that Max is standing on.
I got that one on the ground. That was sort of messed up. Good thing I only had one. I only had one shell in my gun.
I was tempted to grab my gun, but oh, dude, get back! Come on,
That was unfucking.
guys, get back! We got little flocks.
Yeah, but guys.
Oh my god! What a
Smoked them.
what a bitch!
Like 5 yards.
What a bitch!
He's scared of me.
Oh my! We got 3 out of 4 there.
You gotta let them all land.
Dude, that was
Go.
unreal. That footage, dude.
I got it all. I'm still filming.
Hurry up!
I was like, you still want to smoke them?
Lenny had his gun up. He's like, should we smoke him? I was like, yeah.
You see me smoke them one? I just dusted them.
Max got the one on the right.
Derek's nice.
Did you see me unload one on him?
Yo, that was a 4 shot, Derek.
Did you see him fold up? Yeah, I freaked out. This one doesn't want to die.
No bands.
That
Look how
was
tiny mine is. It's on the left.
that was
They're
nuts.
still alive.
That was out there.
Get the ring there now.
I couldn't believe I hit that one. That was pretty far. I shot mine probably. Derek, you were like 50 yards.
That was sweet, man.
All right.